Okay. As you remember, I just last showed you these operators and got an error for dividing by 0. I believe that's what happened. Oh. Mm. Okay then. What now? Let's get into getting like input using the scanner class. But first I should explain the Java API. The Java API is a bunch of classes that basically just comes with Java and allows you to program, because you use stuff from their classes to program your own things. It's like a library of classes that you use. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna make a simple user input thing. I'm gonna print it onto the screen. So first you're gonna need to import the the um the class from the API. And this class is in java.util, and it's in the class name is scanner. So you have to create an object of the scanner class. And to do that, you do this like creating any other variable, like int I. You do the variable type, then the name, and put scanner, just like that. And you have to set it, do that. And scanner is equal to a new scanner, like that. And then for receiving input, you have to do system.in. When you do that, it tells you basically what type of scanner it is. This is like a how you say this? A constructor in the scanner class, which is kind of advanced, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna actually shorten this to one line. Scanner. Yeah, okay. Very simple. I'm going to create an int name of x, and I'm going to set it equal to scanner dot next int. Okay, and I'm going to explain what this does. Scanner, it creates a scanner variable or object, because this is object-oriented programming. And you just create a normal int, and then normal, and then you just do this part, the kind of different part. You set it equal to scanner.nextInt, and that makes sense because the variable scanner has been created, and it's going to be system.in, but it means it'll do stuff from that. So nextInt is inside system.in. So you're taking this object and calling, which is basically the same thing as saying this. So theoretically I could do that, but it doesn't work for the scanner class. It would work for other things. And you're using this, it will have all the properties of scanner, the class itself. And it has everything that's inside system.in, and nextInt is inside of that. And what nextInt does is it chooses, it allows the user to choose. It just allows the user to enter a number, and it because it is a next int. It is a next int right there. It is a next int. So it allows the user to enter an integer value. So I'm gonna say system.out.println. Print out. Yes, I'm going to print out x. And what it should do is it's gonna wait for me to enter something. I'm gonna maybe 12. It's going to print out X. Right like that. I hope you understood that. Okay. And my thing is not recording. Okay, it's awkward. Weird, okay. Well, okay. It's odd. Okay. Okay then. Just gonna focus in on this and I'm gonna bring that up later on. Whenever I have to check my time. Which time is it? 5:47. This is awkward. Usually it shows me a bar of time. Okay, whatever. Anyway, sorry about that. Technical difficulties. So yeah, but what if you want to tell them what to enter? I'm gonna do this. I think I spelled that right. Probably not. So it's gonna say enter an integer value. I'll put whatever integer you want. It's gonna print that. Nine. Oh, I think. Okay, I know what happened. It's too large to be an integer. Integers can only be so large. Let's do that. See if that works. Yeah. Integers can only be so large. That's something you might want to know. So clear that. And what if you want to make like an addition thing? You're gonna okay. So let's just start from scratch. Actually, we're gonna keep the scanner though. We're gonna do int x. This is another way to do int. You can put them in commas. This is gonna be adding. Okay. Just like that. Okay. And we're gonna say enter your first number. I'm gonna put actually addend. And this is gonna be very basic. 8 minutes. Okay. Better get. I'm probably gonna finish this in the next. I don't even remember what I quite did. I introduced you to scanner in this, and just remember this line: to create a method. To create an object of a class, you put the class name, variable name, and put it equal to new, and whatever the class name is. And for scanner, what you have to do is open parentheses system.in. The parentheses are always going to be there, but inside the parentheses for scanner you need system.in, then you just put the semicolon. Very simple. I'm gonna end this episode here because my screen recorder is not going too well, but at the end of next episode we will have a working calculator. See you guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs up and click that shiny subscribe button below the video. See you guys.